Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make the viral cabbage boil. So let's get started with the video. First, take one cabbage and remove any loose or wilted leaves. Then cut off the stem. Next, carefully remove the center of the cabbage. When you're finished, place the cabbage on a baking sheet lined with tinfoil. Then poke holes all throughout the cabbage. Next, coat the cabbage in olive oil. Then season the cabbage with the seasonings of your choice. I seasoned mine with seasoned salt, pepper, Old Bay, Creole Seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, and paprika. When you're finished, add some minced garlic and butter in the center of the cabbage. Next, partially wrap the cabbage in tinfoil. Then add a 1/4 cup of water in the tinfoil, then continue to wrap the cabbage completely. Next, place the cabbage in the oven at 400 degrees for an hour and a half to 2 hours. While the cabbage is cooking in the oven, we're going to make the sauce. In a small bowl, add 1 teaspoon of Old Bay, 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, 1 teaspoon of lemon pepper, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of parsley. Mix everything together until well combined and then set your seasoning mixture to the side. Next, in a pot over medium heat, add 2 sticks of butter. Once the butter is melted, add a 1/2 cup of chicken broth or water. Then mix everything together until well combined. Next, add your seasoning mixture, 2 tablespoons of light brown sugar, and the juice from 1 lemon. Next, mix in 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, then let the sauce simmer for about 5 minutes on low. Once you finish making the sauce, set it to the side. When the cabbage is finished baking in the oven, take it out. Next, carefully remove the tinfoil. To see if the cabbage is finished cooking, poke it with a knife, and if it goes through easily, it's all done. Next, remove the cabbage from the tinfoil and place it on a plate. Then pour the sauce you made before on the cabbage. Sprinkle some paprika and parsley on top, and after that you are all done. And this is the finished result. If you want a seafood boil alternative or you want to try a new cabbage recipe, I suggest trying this one. It's super easy to make and delicious. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!